Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be making Taki fried chicken strips. Let's get started. Alright, first up we got the chicken soaking in buttermilk to help tenderize it. We got 3 eggs, we got our Takis, and we got a cup of flour. We're going to just dump that flour in that bowl. We're going to crush up the Takis. Alright, we get those nice and crushed up. Crush those into a nice fine powder. And then we're going to crack the 3 eggs into the bowl so we can get them whisked up. Got a double joker there. We're going to just use a fork and we're going to whisk that up. Alright, so first up we're going to take the chicken. We're going to drop it into the flour. This to get it nice and dry on the outside and help the egg to stick. So next we're going to put it in the eggs. Get a nice even coating of the egg on there. And then into the Takis. We're going to dip it around in the Takis so that it gets a nice even coating. And then we got a nice evenly coated chicken strip right there. We're going to do one by one until we have enough to fill up the fryer. Doesn't that look beautiful? And one more. And there you go. Now we're going to set the fryer to 350 degrees. Alright, now we got the temperature at 350. We can start putting them in one at a time. Being careful as we drop them in there. We're going to give them about 2 to 3 minutes so they get a nice golden brown and fully cook the chicken. We don't want to overload the fryer. So we'll just do 3 for right now so we can see how it looks. Alright, now those are ready to take out. We're going to take them out, give them a good shake. And set them onto a paper towel to dry. And then we're ready to add some more. Like I said, we're going to do 3 at a time, being careful as we drop them in there so they don't splash, and giving them about 2 to 3 minutes to fry up. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes. We're ready to pop those out. Give them a shake so they're nice and dry. And onto the paper towel to drain off. And ready for the next 3. Nice and gentle so we don't get a big splash. Remember, this is hot oil. We don't want to burn ourselves. And again, we're going to go 2 to 3 minutes on that. Alright, that's been 3 minutes. Ready to come out. Give them a good shake off. Nice and beautifully done. And onto the paper towel to drain. And there we have some Taki fried chicken strips. If you like this, please like and subscribe, and be ready for our next video.